Hello from a rather grey, wet and miserable Friday the 18th. I'm FX Plu and this is the Market Brief. So in market top trumps, Brexit is still just beating COVID-19. Johnson and von der Leyen had another phone call last night, and while Barnier still thinks a deal can be done and ratified by Sunday, Michel Gove believes that chances of a deal are now less than 50%. Matt Hancock has the country in tears. I wept at the news that Surrey is going into Tier 3. Thanks a lot, Matt. Yet the 5-day festive flexibility remains and Christmas can go ahead, just with the request that people are sensible. I didn't catch the briefing, so I'm not sure if he was wearing a Santa hat and a Christmas jumper while half cut on eggnog when he made that request, but the irony was not lost, and I guess I'll have to get the tree down from the loft this weekend after all. Thanks a lot, Matt. The MPC left rates unchanged and the negative rate debate continued. Andrew Bailey commented that the future remains pretty uncertain, with Brexit negotiations still pending and no clarity over how long the 3-tier restrictions will be in place. But sterling remains well supported ahead of further Brexit news. We touched a high of 136.25 against the dollar yesterday, and we open around 110.50 against the euro. US weekly jobless claims rose 20,000 to 885,000 new claims. That recovery suggests to be stalling. And there's no real progress on the pandemic relief bill yet. And Powell is still concerned about how that's affecting output productivity and consumer confidence. But it's still being debated by Congress, and several other ancillary support packages are due to expire at the end of the month. So quite literally, those bucks stop there at month end if Congress doesn't get their act together. In the Eurozone, Germany already looks likely to extend their national lockdown past January the 10th, and the Netherlands have joined the lockdown party, ahead of other nations, no doubt surely to follow. The ECB continues to pump liquidity into the economy, but bank lending is still well below pre-pandemic levels, and some borrowers are still pushing their agenda for debt forgiveness. But nevertheless, the slow and steady euro ascent continues. Yesterday, euro dollar touched a high of 122.75, and we open this morning's session around 122.50. Right, that's it from me today. I hope the day brightens up for you and you have a great weekend. Do join me again on Monday. All the best.
If you do not have a clue, then just tweet through and ask FX Blue.